then hi, my name is Pritha Gupta and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you 4 types of healthy drinks which will not only help you to lose weight but also will help you to lead a healthy lifestyle. And these drinks need to be consumed on an everyday basis. I will show you 4 drinks and you can choose any one of that and you can have that daily. Okay, like for example, you chose the number 1 drink. I'll show you what are those drinks, but just let me explain before getting into the video. So I was telling that if you are starting with drink number 1, then you have to continue it every day. Okay, maybe after few months you are bored of that drink, now you want to change. Okay, you want to change the diet, maybe. No, it's not diet actually, but whatever, you want to change the drink. So now you are using the drink number, for example, 3. So like that, but you need to continue. Okay, you can't skip that. If you really want amazing results, if you really want to lose weight, then you have to consume the drinks on an everyday basis. So before getting into the video, here's a quick disclaimer. That is, I didn't find everything in the market, like the products, not every products are available right now, maybe because due to lockdown. Initially I thought that I'll make the video in a way like this, where I will be showing you that I am just making the drinks. It will be a recipe sort of video, I thought, but unfortunately I can't do that now. So I will rather explain to you how you can make the drink, what products you need, how much of the product you need, everything I'll be mentioning. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, but I really wanted to do the video in some other way, but I can't do that. But anyway, it won't be a boring one. I know usually chit chat videos sometimes becomes very boring, but I promise you that it won't be a boring one. And now without any further ado, let's get into the first drink is cumin water. It's very easy to make. All you have to do is you need 1 tablespoon of cumin or jeera and add it to 1 cup of water. Keep it for overnight, and on the next day with a strainer, separate the water and you're ready with your drink. Now you can have this drink in 2 ways. Number 1 is you can direct have that water, okay, and the second way is you can squeeze some lemon juice in it and stir it properly, and then you can have it. You can drink in any one of the way. Both the ways are very effective. I used to have cumin ka pani, I mean jeera ka pani, in the second way. Like I used to squeeze lemon juice in it and I used to have that, and it acts as a natural fat burner. It won't let that fat store in your body. This drink helps to fight against cancer, lowers down the cholesterol level, helps in blood sugar control, and it also increases your weight loss. This drink is very good for any diabetic patient because it also cures diabetes. And of course you all can have this drink, and you have to have this on a regular basis on an empty stomach right after you open your eyes in the morning. Drink number 2 is lemon with warm water. Now I have seen many people do this, and this is one of the most common drinks, health drinks actually, and it works magically. This drink is also very easy to make. All you have to do is squeeze some lemon juice in 1 cup of water, stir it properly, and you can have it. You can also have this drink in 2 ways. Number 1 is just directly squeezing the lemon in some lukewarm water, stirring it, and then have it. You can have it in this way, or you can have it in this way. That is, all the things are same. You can just add just half a tablespoon of honey, mix it well, and then have it. This drink will not only keep you hydrated, but also it reduces joint and muscle pains. This drink also helps in your digestion system and fights against common cold. Water will boost up your metabolism, and for that you will lose weight. If you really want to lose weight, then lemon with lukewarm water is your go-to drink. Now let's start with drink number 3. Now this drink is a very effective one, and you need 4 products for this. Number 1 is aloe vera juice, number 2 is safi, number 3 is honey, and number 4 psyllium husk. So you need all these 4 products, and I will now tell you how you can use that. Take 1 cup of aloe vera juice and add 1 tablespoon of each of the other products, that is honey, safi and psyllium husk. and mix in it. You will get aloe vera juice, honey and psyllium husk in any of the grocery store, and for the Safi I have linked it down right in the description box. Make sure to check that out. This drink contains soluble and insoluble fibers which will help you to lose weight. This will also improve your metabolism and will keep your digestive system healthy. And the last drink, that is drink number 4, is apple cider vinegar. You can have it throughout the day with a dose of 2 to 3 times, but I will prefer it to have, of course, again early in the morning on an empty stomach, because in that way it is more effective. Now, how you are supposed to have apple cider vinegar? It's very easy. Just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the product in normal water, stir it properly, and you're good to go. Apple cider vinegar is the most effective drink for weight loss. I have linked down in the description box from where you can buy one and use it. Now, coming to the benefits, apple cider vinegar kills bacteria, lowers your sugar level, and also helps in weight loss. And if you are wondering how, then keep watching. Several studies have shown that vinegar actually gives you a feeling of fullness, and this leads to the consumption of fewer calories, and therefore you will like the video, then smash the like button, comment down below which drink you wish to give a try, share this with everyone. You can also follow me on my Instagram ID link is given in the description box. Make sure to check that out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.